You want a bag, bro?
Yeah, please.
The change. You alright? My bad, bro. Just trying to talk to you.
Thank you.
No problem.
Hey, let me holler at you real quick outside.
What you need,
Let
bro?
me talk to you outside.
What you mean? I'm here. I'm good. You good?
You want to talk outside?
No, I'm good, bro.
Come here.
No, I'm good, bro.
Uh-huh.
I'm good, man.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm good. Alright, bro.
What's up, Bob?
What's going on, man?
Hold on.
All right.
Now, how much is this? I
Dropping
gotta
chips
go.
on the floor. What happened?
How much is this? I gotta go.
How much is this? You gotta go. You in a rush?
Yeah?
Okay. That's all you're getting?
Yeah.
$2.
There you go.
Throw in the money too.
You got a bag?
60, 70. Huh?
You got a bag?
A bag?
Yep.
No, I don't have any bags, man. Here.
Oh. You got a bag?
Say what?
You don't got a bag?
No, I don't have any bags, man. No bags.
Why?
Huh?
Why?
I don't have any bags. Go ahead, take your chips. Trying to be rude and stuff.